So hello Kacharos, good morning Dubai. We are here at the Hyatt Place and we'll be doing a food review. Meron tayong cheese, salami, may different kinds of fruits, oranges, and apples. And then we also have here vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, and different kinds of condiments. May dates, may mga chilies, penny, pasta, meron ding section for cereals, oatmeal, peanuts, and this section naman meron pancake, hard-boiled egg, and different kinds of food. Yan, mamaya titikman natin yan isa-isa at i-food review natin kung ano yung lasa ng mga Arab foods dito sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This one is the beef saloma, chicken sausage, and then meron silang baked beans, and then merong vegetable curry or the bhaji yung tawag nila, and suji upma. Yun. And this one is the white penny pasta. May vegetables then, baked vegetables, meron ding baked potatoes, and then ito yung rice nila. So ito na nga, titikman natin isa-isa. Let's start off with the chicken sausage. So for the food here, ito lang yung closer sa Filipino food. Kasi generic yung lasa niya, it's really chicken sausage. Yan. And then, ang next na titikman natin is yung beef saloma. So this is a beef. Napansin ko, very tender siya, ang lambot niya. And medyo masabaw lang nga siya. Parang siyang menudo sa atin, pero medyo masabaw siya. So may carrots din siya and potatoes. So nang tinikman ko siya, masarap naman siya. So yan talaga yung pinaka main meal na kinain ko sa food breakfast review for today. Ayan. Very tender din yung potato. And then, ang next na titikman natin is yung suji upma. So, yung consistency niya is malambot. Para siyang maha blanca sa Pinas kasi may corn din siya. Pero hindi siya sweet. Ayan. So, basta yung texture niya is malambot siya. Sorry but hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Pero yun nga, para siyang maha blanca, less the sweet. Ito naman yung pav na tawag nila dito is yung soft na bread. Yan. And true enough, it's very soft. Yan. Masarap naman siya. Although blunt lang yung lasa niya. But para din siyang bread sa Pilipinas. Itong next na titikman ko is the vegetable curry. Ito naman, medyo spicy siya and sorry but hindi ko talaga siya gusto kasi medyo madami siyang mga herbs and spices na nandoon. Next is yung baked beans. So ito naman, para lang siyang yung Hans pork and beans. So okay lang siya. Okay, we're done with our first plate and our second plate. Ito naman yung ating white penny pasta. So for this one, I like it kasi parang Filipino taste lang din siya. Masarap siya. Actually, yun yung naparami ako ng kain for the white penny pasta. And itong rice nila, so this is the biryani. Meron siyang mga vegetables na kasama. Yung texture niya is, since mahaba yung rice niya, pag i-taste mo siya, talagang very full siya sa sa mouth mo. Next plate naman is itong croissant. So medyo matigas lang yung croissant dito and medyo burnt siya. But it tastes like breaded. Yan. So, wala siyang filling inside. Ito naman yung Danes croissant. It's the same sa tinikman ko kanina with the additional ng meron siyang mango toppings. Ayan. And then, next na titikman natin is itong bread pudding. Ayan. So, yung bread pudding, it's really a combination of bread and a pudding. So, in combination siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis although meron siyang naka-toppings na white sauce. And then this one is the dates. And I know na sikat to dito sa Dubai. Ayan, hinati ko lang siya. Hindi ko siya alam paano kainin. But when I tasted it, surprisingly, this is my first time to taste it. And masarap naman siya, matamis. Yan, medyo matamis siya. Hindi ganong katamis but matamis siya. Yan, may buto din siya inside. So, yun, masarap. So, 5/10 for this food review.